Here at 2W, we love October, not just because everything around us turns into pumpkin spice, but because it's Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Over the course of the next few weeks, we're going to explore why cybersecurity affects us all, especially in the manufacturing industry. Cybersecurity isn't just an IT problem. It's something that touches every part of your operations, from engineering and procurement to the production floor. Protecting your systems means keeping your production lines running, designs safe, and your company competitive. But why are manufacturers a target? Well, connected systems, valuable intellectual property, and complex supply chains make your operations an attractive target. So basically, you're a candy store for hackers. But don't worry, we're here to make sure your candy stays safe. Some examples include ransomware shutting down production. Even a few hours can cost thousands, or tens of thousands, in lost output. And we all know downtime is the ultimate headache. Theft of designs or proprietary formulas. Losing IP is like someone stealing the secret recipe that makes your product unique, except much harder to fix than losing a cookie recipe. Even a single mistake, like clicking a phishing link, can have huge ripple effects. So what role should you take? Well, like I said, cybersecurity isn't just IT's problem. It's everyone's responsibility. Engineers securing design files, operators monitoring production systems, procurement checking supplier communications. Small actions make a big difference. Simple things like recognizing suspicious emails, using strong passwords, and following security procedures help protect the entire company. Since we have you, let's just do a quick check. How secure are you right now? Do you use unique passwords for each system? Do you think twice before clicking on a suspicious link? Do you regularly update your devices and software? Take a moment to reflect. If any of these are a no, don't worry. That's exactly why we're here this month, to learn how to do better. This week, we've set the stage for why cybersecurity is crucial in manufacturing. Next week, we'll dive into the 4 essentials: passwords, phishing, multi-factor authentication, and software updates. Remember, cybersecurity starts with you. Every action matters.